Welcome back. Justice Smith joins me now for Getting Real with Real Estate. Heavy snow out there this morning, blowing snow. Perfect conditions, you say, for ice damming. Now, what exactly, Justice, is ice damming?
Well, folks will recognize houses that are susceptible. You have the big icicles typically hanging off. What happens is, snow can insulate. You got a hot roof, the attic is too warm, the snow starts to melt, and then it refreezes on the end. And it just causes trouble. The ice builds up. It can damage your house in a number of ways. It could, the heavy ice can rip off your gutters. But also, what could happen is the ice can build back up under the shingles, lift the shingles. Your roof can start to leak, and you might end up with puddles of water in your house. Very costly to fix. Yeah, very expensive.
Okay, well, we've got to get to this tool that you brought in. This helps with ice damming, is that right?
This is a snow rake. It's a good idea to use this before the snow, as it builds up on your roof. Just by pulling off the first 2-3 feet, that'll allow the water to run off. And there's other tools out there. You want to stop the ice before it happens. Some houses are just susceptible. If you have like a 1.5-story house where you're essentially living in your attic,
right,
you're always going to be dealing with ice damming.
Now, these here, you probably pick them up at any hardware store.
Absolutely, yep.
What do they cost? Are they quite expensive?
Anywhere from $20 to $30. Other tools out there are, you can get heat wire that you run along the edge of your roof and into the gutter. If you have ice occurring, a lot of people, you might see folks up on their roof shoveling their roof. Very dangerous.
No kidding,
leave that to an expert. There's other tools out there. There's professional companies who will also use steam to remove ice buildups. You want to protect your investment when it comes to your houses. You spend a lot of money for it. You want to make sure it's protected.
No kidding. Yeah, you don't want to have this problem, because if you're trying to sell a home and you have these problems, can that actually lower the value of maybe your home?
Well, buyers can recognize, your shingles, they'll wear long before their time, so it's going to be a costly fix. Buyers are going to factor that in. Even in the summer months, you can tell the houses that are susceptible to ice damming. Mm-hmm. But the biggest thing, you want to insulate your roof, and you want to ventilate your roof.
Okay.
Ventilation is key, but we get this heavy snow, and our air vents are covered, and it's just perfect conditions for the ice buildup happening.
Very cool. All right, well, thank you for great information, Justice. We appreciate it. If you want help in the real estate market, you can contact Justice or his partner Andrew Rink at propertypartnersrealty.com. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.